welcome back to the channel. My name is Kelly. So today I'm going to be working in my kitchen, adding in a few spring touches into this space. Last time I worked on my coffee bar area where I showed you how you could add key elements, and then by simply switching up a few other little pieces, you can take that area from spring through summer, through fall, even into Christmas by just switching up a few things. And if you missed that video, I will be sure to link it in the cards above so you can go catch up on that one. But today, we're going to be working in the rest of the kitchen, adding in spring. So without any further ado, let's get to decorating this kitchen for spring. I hope you enjoy. Here's a quick look at how the kitchen currently looks. I need to do a quick cleanup of all the stuff off the counters and give the counters a quick clean, and then I'll be all set to start decorating. I don't typically start next to the stove area with my decorating in my kitchen, but I wanted to give something a bit of a try, and I'm going to take this cutting board that I usually have hanging on my wall over on the other side of the stove, and I wanted to give a little bit more of a layered look here. So I'm going to give this a try and see how it turns out. These beautiful salt and pepper grinders I got down in Target when I was on vacation back in, I think it was January. Now, if you're not following me over on Instagram, I did ask, what size do you typically use for the pepper and what size for the salt? Let me know in the comments below. Now, this is where I usually have that cutting board set up hanging on the wall here, but I wanted to switch it up. So I put up that beautiful little Etsy print of a bird. I recently picked up this beautiful tray from HomeSense, and I love the design on the side. I thought it screamed spring, but I did find it in the bathroom area. So don't sleep on different areas of the stores. Don't think that you have to use them exactly where you find them, because this was in the bathroom aisle and I decided to use it here next to my sink. On the other side of the sink, I usually put some sort of floral arrangement here. So I added in this white pitcher that I had and these beautiful picks. These little pink, I think they're little mini roses. These are from Michael's that I recently got. I think they were 50% off. They only cost me a few dollars each, but these little pink roses are so realistic. I absolutely love them. Then on the other side of the kitchen, next to the toaster, like I've said many times on my channel, this is a working kitchen, so there's just some non-negotiables that have to stay out on the counter, and the toaster is one. So here I thought I would create just a little moment with another bunny and a little wreath with a little pick of the flowers that fell off on the other side of the sink area, and just add it in for continuity. So it brings over this flower on this side. And I just added in a little candle that I had. Onto my table decor, I added in a runner that I've used many times here on my channel. It's just one of my favorites, this blue and white pattern. It's so pretty for spring. Brought back my tray here and my napkin holder, and then I added in these salt and pepper shakers. I think I got them from Walmart a couple of years ago. Little bunnies. The bunnies in our backyard are going crazy. So even though they're bunnies, I don't think they scream Easter just yet, because we see them out in our backyard every day. We must have 4 or 5 of them running around there. Then I brought back one of my favorite ginger jars and just added in some faux tulips there. Now this tea towel set is a Martha Stewart one, I think, and I got it recently at HomeSense. I thought these were just beautiful. I thought they looked so spring-like. And then I found these napkins from HomeSense as well. And when I got them home, I couldn't believe how well they matched the pink flowers on these tea towels. So I thought it was just perfect. And this woven placemat is actually from Michael's that I got last year. And I'm just going to use my mother-in-law's dishes here. All these flowers, all these colors just blend so well together. I am so happy with the way this is turning out. Now you've probably seen these bunny ear napkin folds all over Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So I just thought I would give you a glimpse at how I did them. I don't know if this is right, but it worked for me. I just took my napkin and brought the corners together on the diagonal and then just kept rolling it down and folded it in the middle, bringing the ears together, and then just put the ears through a napkin ring, spreading them out to create that bunny ear look. And it was as simple as that. Let me know if you give these a try and how it turns out. The other thing that you've probably noticed with these is as it gets closer to Easter, you can add a little egg in the middle to make it even more festive for Easter. I thought that's really cute as well. I started doing this in the fall, and my husband and I really love it, and I set up little spots here on our island so we can eat our breakfast here and our lunch here. Typically we will eat dinner at the dining room table, but this makes for just a little sweet area for us to sit down and enjoy a quick bite together. And now to add one of the final touches to the kitchen is just to add in those beautiful tea towels. And I have to say, I'm a sucker for a beautiful tea towel, and I think these are just the little bit of the finishing touch to the room. I love walking into the kitchen now. It just gives me that spring feeling that I was craving. There's so much brightness and lightness to the space. I love all the pops of pink and creams and greens and blues. Everything just blends so well together. And as we approach Easter, it'll be so simple to just add in a few little Easter touches, like maybe a few more bunnies, carrots, some Easter eggs, things like that, and take me right through to Easter. And then by taking them away again, it'll give me back that late spring, early summer feeling. after stepping back for a few minutes and just taking a look around, I felt there was just too much going on over by the sink because we do use that area. We wash our dishes all the time. So I decided to replace the candle with the vase with the floral arrangement over here, and I think it works much better now. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. If you did enjoy it, share it with anybody that you think might also enjoy it as well. It really helps the channel out. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a great week.